Assalamu alaikum students, this is Hatika Batul and today we are going to discuss about system of units. So let's start our video. What is system of units? A system of units is a set of related units that are used for calculations. There are some 5 types of system of units like SI, System International or International System of Units. FPS System of Units stands for foot pound second. IPS System of Units stands for inch pound second. MKS System of Units meter kilogram second. And CGS System of Units stands for centimeter gram second. So these are 5 types of system of units, but in this video we will discuss about International System of Units. The International System of Units, abbreviated as SI, it is the most widely used system of units. It is based on 7 base physical quantities and their 7 base units. Following are the 7 base quantities and their units used in International System of Units. Number 1 is length and its unit is meter. Second one is mass and its unit is kilogram. Third one is time, its unit is second. Fourth one is electric current, its unit is ampere. Fifth one is thermodynamics temperature, its unit is Kelvin. Sixth is amount of substance, its unit is mole. And the last one is luminous intensity, its unit is candela. So these are 7 base physical quantities and their 7 base units. All other units can be derived from these base units. For example, the unit of speed is meter per second, derived from the units of length and time. This is the introduction of system of units. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.